Hello everyone, it's Kenneth here. Welcome to Universe Unbroken for May 31st. It's the last show before my pay-per-view Taboo Tuesday, so here we go. The first match, Jeff Hardy vs Daniel Bryan. It's gonna be a black screen in 3, 2, 1, boom! Oh my god, I'm so awesome. Jeff Hardy! And now it's gonna fly like an airplane. Woohoo! And here he comes, the GOAT man, Daniel Bryan. I am in the ring, everyone. I made it myself. You didn't help me. I got in the ring myself. Welcome everyone to Kenneth Wrestling Entertainment. And Daniel Bryan with a throw to the outside. Daniel Bryan. With a hurricanrana from the top rope. Okay, Jeff, we have to do this. We have to work as one. We have to be one. You as the CPU guy, me as the controller of you. Oh, no, you got a comeback, shit. He lost it. No, what? He didn't? Okay, Daniel Bryan with a comeback. I got a counter. Where's the button? No, B! What? B! Daniel Bryan connects. I think it's impossible to counter the comeback actually. And I won't count. Moonsault! A crossbody! Wow! Actually the first time I've seen a crossbody there. Look at the power, Jeff, lifting Daniel Bryan. Boom! And then a clothesline. Here we go. Top rope. Daniel is in trouble. Swanton Bomb connects. Come on. One? Jerry is standing and everything. Oh my god, what a counter. A teabag on Daniel Bryan. And then a punch. A crossbody into the pin. One. And a kick out. Here's a submission. Daniel Bryan taps out. 2 out. Necklock thing. Gamading. The winner of this match, Jeff Hardy. The next match, Lita vs AJ Lee. Did you guys know that Lita got 3 tattoos that CM Punk also have? And here she is, the WWE Women's Champion, Lita. And ladies and gentlemen, the girl with 2 fingers up. I have to go with Lita. She's much better than AJ. Everyone, Lil Jimmy is with us again, but he brought his brothers, Jason, Ryan, Michael, and Lulu. AJ at the top rope with Lita and superplex. And the lockup. I got my pussy finger blaster skills, so. And another one. Turbo. And here comes the twist of fate. It connects. Here we go. Moonsault. One. One. And now AJ and Lita is gonna have kids, so it's gonna be called AJ Lita. I throw to the outside. What a spear! Look at this. Extreme twist of fate, but it's a double count out. That was the first time you guys have ever seen someone log on while I have recorded. The next match, a ladder match between John Cena and Kurt Angle. The United States Champion, John Cena. And ladies and gentlemen, from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Kurt Angle. So we're gonna go with random here, because people always say, you never choose Cena. But now I'm gonna do a random decision, so if I don't get Cena, yeah, you can't blame me, so fuck you. Okay. And remember, this is a ladder match, so the first one to grab a briefcase that gives you nothing is the winner. We got 2 ladders in the ring now. Oh my god. That ladder is... What the fuck is that ladder doing? Okay. What the fuck, ladder? Get him out of my way. Angle is down. Here he comes. You can't see me. The 5 knock. Pull. Angle is up. Can he make it? He's trying to kick the ladder. Oh my god. Cena is hanging. And Angle. With a electric chair. Angle will counter. And Angle slam. It connects. The Angle slam. Cena is down. I am down. Angle is going up. Oh my god. And he jumped back down. And he's going up again. Cena is still down. And he's trying to reach it. But that was a mistake. Because now Angle got the electric chair. And now side headlock. Cena is going up. Here we go. I got it. It's over. Cena wins the ladder match. Kofi Kingston versus Ryback versus Sin Cara in a triple threat. And Ryback is also the United States champion. Okay, I have to fix my universe and remove the other titles. I did Shelton. SOS. I did Brian. Here is Sin Cara. I think this is the first time in a really long time he have been in a Universe Broken episode. Welcome back, Sin Cara. Don't do botches now. You've been away to practice, you know. Here we go. Punch the stomach. Now you can't eat bananas anymore, Ryback. Oh, no, coffee! Come on, Ryback. No, don't hit the audience, Sin Cara. He botched already with the chair. And coffee, oh my god, what a springboard dropkick. And, oh my god, what a sidekick. Good double team there. This was the day when Sin Cara died and didn't get up. This match has to be cancelled because of death. And the main event of the evening. The rematch between Undertaker and Chris Jericho. 20 minutes later. Oh, I can't skip it. Really? Really? And it's dark. Haha! Take that, Undertaker. Now you know how it feels. And I'm gonna do a random Undertaker. Look at this. Undertaker with a follower slam already. Undertaker now. Oh! No. What the fuck? Jericho on the top rope. And oh! I caught him. Tombstone. Tombstone. Boom! There's the pin. There's the cover. And a rope break. Why did they make a fucking catch finisher that goes automatically to the ropes? Oh, come on, Jericho! Ow! And Taker is signaling for the end. I don't have a finisher. Damn it. Why is he attacking my arm all the time? Look at this! What the hell? Okay, now I'm getting annoyed. This is the third time and I've tried to counter. And finally, oh my god, you... And here's something we haven't seen in a while. Hell's Gate connects. Jericho is out. He got no chance. Jericho taps out to the Hell's Gate. The Undertaker wins. Oh my god! Cactus Jack attacking the Undertaker. Oh my god. With a steel pipe again, like last week. But yeah, that was the show, everyone. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Kenneth, signing out. Peace. Hello everyone, it's Kenneth here. Welcome to Universe Unbroken for May 20th. What? Hello everyone, it's Kenneth here. Welcome to Universe Unbroken for May 20. Or does it 20 all the time? Hello. The first match, Jeff Hardy vs Daniel Ryan. No. Oh. I can't say that. The charisma or something. Oh, what a and Lita and AJ's Angle is going out to the announce table. What a mistake. Now I can pick up. And now a jumping. Oh, diving.